Harrington. Dewis croesi, mae'n uchel, a George Horan yn codi'n gynnar. A'r peniad I dor rhwyd, yn curo Anthony Stevens at y bêl. 5 munud ar 20 o gem wedi chwarae, mae reit hafal hyd yn hyn. Smith, og yn sydyn, mae Dave Edwards yn glir nebyn George Horan. Dave Edwards drwodd, George Horan yn dynnu lawr. Chris Venables yn rhoi'r bêl yng nghefn o'r rhwyd. Ond mae'n cam sefyll. Nawr tebe, mae'r dyfarnwr yn mynd I fynd, mae'n mynd i'w boced, mae'n gerdyn coch I George Horan, wel dim amheuaeth am hynny. Ond di ddim yn gôl, cam sefyll oedd Venables. Fe chwaraeodd y dyfarnwr o fantais, ond y gôl ddim yn cyfri, ond dim amheuaeth bod hwnna yn dacl cerdyn coch dyn ola gan George Horan. Y Bala fydd yn cael y gig rydd. Leslie ag Edwards. Edwards ar gic! A'r Bala'n cael I gôl yn y diwedd. Ac oedd hi'n gôl hyfryd hefyd. Cic rydd berffaith i'r gornel ucha gan Dave Edwards. A mae'r Bala ar y blaen i'n Cei Connah. Smith I Venables yn ôl I Smith. Symud y bêl o un ochr y maes i'r llall yn erbyn y 10-10. Y pennau fyny. O'r gic adlamu'n y cwrt. Rutherford. Venables yn taro'r trawst. Nath o golwr ddim symud modfedd. Oedd honna mor agos I ddyblu'r fantes. Cic hir Byrne. Bêl dros ben amddiffyn y Bala. Jamie Mullen I mewn. Mullen yn argydio. A Ramsey'n arbed. A dyna ergyd orau Cei Connah yn hyn. A mae hynny deud rhywbeth. Morris allan at Owens. Ni'n gwybod bod hon yn mynd at y postyn pella. O, dyna lle oedd Byron Harrison, y cawr yn codi, ond yr arbediad eto gan Ramsey. Chris Owens ar gic hir. Y Bala yn ansicr, ond mae'n cael I chlirio yn y pen draw drwy Dave Edwards. I fyny at Venables. O, mae'n curo Chris Owens od honna. Mae'n nôl I Venables. Mae'n drin erbyn 2. Y bêl drwodd, mae'n cyrraedd yr holl ffordd at Chris Sangor, bediad gwych gan Byrne, ac yna Owens ar draws. Oedd I bron yn ddwy yn hwyr iawn i'r Bala. Ond y golwr nhw'n gwneud yn wych I arbed gan Chris Sang. Triffwynt cynta'r Bala ar lan y dyfrdwy, ers dros 5 mlynedd.
Pleased with the result, but not really pleased with the performance. I thought they did really well against us in the second half with 10 men. I thought we shaded the first half, but you know, give credit to them. They pinned us back in the second half, but we should have killed it at the end with Chris Sang.
Listen, if you go down to 10 men, the last thing you want is a former Welsh international to be taking the free kick. You know, I mean, we were looking at Leslie taking it, who was a former Football League player. He misses it. He steps aside, and Edwards just bins it in the top corner. You know, and that's the last thing you need. He'll give you something that we showed through the rest of the game that if they hadn't scored at that point, we've got enough to be able to stay in the game, and we did. And we wanted to get to 75 minutes and then have a go and get maybe a couple more strikers on the pitch. And we took Aaron and Jordan on, and we didn't ask. We went and asked questions. No, disappointed, but really proud of some of the performances. I mean, Callum Morris and Byron Harrison were magnificent, the two of them.
Dave's free kick's outstanding. He works on them in training, stays late and stuff, so it was a great free kick. But I think we had the better chances in the game. Chris has rattled the crossbar in the first half. Neil Sang's had an open goal there, then the rebound again. But you know, chance-wise, I can't remember them having really a clear-cut chance. So you know, it's good. You've got to take it. You know, any result here is a good result. And like I say, we haven't done the best here over the years, and it's a great result. And move forward now.
In the past, we've had periods where we've had really poor injury. You know, we've had an injury crisis, and we've managed to get 0-0s and 1-0s. We're just on the other end at the moment of 1-0 results, and you know, I'm pleased with the players. They give everything they could, but we need a change in luck. The only thing that you can guarantee with luck is that it'll change eventually. You know, whether it's going for you or it's going against you, it will change. So yeah, looking forward now to Tuesday night and putting it right.